Good morning, everybody. It is Monday, September 28th, and we're going to be going over some of the assignments and activities that we'll be doing this week in world history. We are starting a unit on the American Revolution, which will cover the full week, where we introduce the causes of the American Revolution and a few of the events of the Revolution itself, and then the period of time after the Revolution when the United States was forming a national government. There are 3 submissions on Google Classroom this week, and I have them highlighted here. We'll be doing in class an activity today, and I'll be looking at how John Locke was very instrumental in the American Revolution and setting the framework for the American Revolution. Then you will be taking notes this week throughout the week on the American Revolution, and we're going to be doing it a little bit differently. I'll be doing a lecture that will be cast while you guys are working, and then you can work independently on it. So you'll be able to take notes while you listen to the screencast. It is very important that you have earbuds this week because you will be using the earbuds so you don't disturb other people. Finally, on later in the week, and this will be submitted on Thursday. Later in the week, either Thursday or Friday, depending on our progress, we'll be doing a worksheet that is similar to the other worksheets that you have done this week, and that will be submitted as a grade. You will have other submissions that you need to do or activities that will be requiring your time, particularly in the textbook. So we'll be doing a couple of activities, and you'll need to participate in them and then submit them to the e-text, but not into Classroom. Finally, a note that a lot of you did not engage in Foolproof Me. At this time, you need to be close to Module 3, either starting it or completing it. And if you are not at Module 3 by the end of the week, you will not get any credit for the Foolproof Me activities. You must catch up, and we will be spending time on Foolproof Me next week. In the virtual week, I'm planning on at least one day just dedicated to Foolproof Me. But if you are late with those assignments, you will not get credit, and that adds up. It's 5 points on the second assignment every week. If you're not up to date, you're not getting full credit. So you need to spend some time with that and make sure that you stay on task with Foolproof Me as well as your other classwork. We do most of the other work in class, so there should be little problem with you just spending a little bit of time on Foolproof Me. That's all for today. Have a great day.